I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a YoYo Blow Out. Yo-yo, I do. Start by putting your ice in your glass, fill it up about halfway, just like so. Then you're going to add in 1 ounce of light rum. Any brand will do, so just pick your favorite since you're going to be the one drinking it. All right, next we're going to put in about 2 ounces, so that's about 2 counts of sour mix. 1, 2. If you can count to 2, you can be a bartender too. All right, we're going to go ahead and shake this up. And we're going to serve this in a rocks glass. So grab one of those handy little guys, pour that in. Don't forget your stirry straw. I'm not sure what they're for, but people love them. All right. And then lastly, because this is a drink with sour mix, we're going to add just a little bit of a lemon twist on the side for fun. Now, if you want to make this drink a little bit stronger, use less sweet and sour mix. If you want it weaker, add a little bit more. And that way you can adjust it to your taste. Either way, enjoy your yo-yo blowout.